everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. You're probably thinking to yourself, why do I look so done up when normally I don't wear makeup in any of my videos? And that is because for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys me getting ready for homecoming. My homecoming is actually tonight, and I didn't have school today, thankfully, so I've taken the whole day to get ready. And with my makeup, I didn't actually film me doing my makeup. However, before I did each set of my makeup, like my face, my eyes, my lips, and stuff, I did talk you guys through what products I was using, and I will have all the products listed in the description box, and at the end you will get to see my entire look. So without further ado, let's get started. I am going to start off with my eye makeup. However, the first thing I like to do is go in and use a primer on my face. That way it has time to set, and my go-to primer lately has been the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. I usually just go ahead and do 2 pumps on my hand, and then just go in and make sure that I get as much of my face as I can. And what I really like about this primer in particular is that it's not sticky. I really hate primers that are sticky, and I think they're gross. And it also doesn't make you oily because I do have oily skin, and I don't have an issue with this one. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Bad to the Bronze as my base, and then I'm just going to use colors from the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette because this palette never lets me down. And once I do it, I will get back to you guys and let you know what I did. So my eyes are all done, and so like I said, I used the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Bad to the Bronze as my base. And then for my crease, I went in with the color Malted from the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette, and then I did a little bit of dark truffle just on the outer corner. And then for my all over lid shade, I did Molasses Chip, which is my favorite color to use. So my eyeshadow is done, and now I'm gonna go in and do eyeliner and mascara. And so both the eyeliner and mascara I'm using are both from Cella, and the eyeliner is the eyeliner pen in black. It is just a felt tipped eyeliner pen, and that is what I will be using above my lash line. And then for my tight line and my waterline, I will be using the Cargo Swimmables eye pencil in the color Black Sea. And then for mascara, I'm going in with the Cella waterproof mascara in black. And what's really nice about this eyeliner is that it has like a spring-loaded piece in the cap, so when you put it in and press it, it like reloads it with ink. No, I'm not done, but I did want to come on and show you guys what this eyeliner does. As you guys can see, it has a really small tip, which I love, because then you get a really small line. What I hate about liquid eyeliners is when you get a really thick line and it takes away from like the overall eyeshadow look. But this, you can clearly tell that I do have eyeliner on, and it makes my eyes look brighter and pop more, but the line is thin and it doesn't take away from the actual eyeshadow look. So my eye makeup is officially done. I know it looks like really dramatic right now because the rest of my face isn't done and I don't have my dress on, but it will all come together and look really good. And now we are going to be moving on to my eyebrows, and I use 3 products for my brows. I use the Eyeliner Brow Magician in mid brown, and then of course the Cella eyebrow defining gel to set them, and then sometimes I like to go in with the Lock-It liner from e.l.f. in the color light brown. So my eyebrows are gonna go from this to this. Now, I know they aren't the best. I really suck at doing my eyebrows, but my eyes are done, and now it is time to move on to face and then lips, which I haven't told you guys yet, but I am going with a red lip. So for my face makeup, I will be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette for contouring. I'll probably use the lightest color because I am pretty pale. I'll be using one of the Tarte highlighters in Exposed, the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in Party, the Naked Skin concealer from Urban Decay in Fair. I made the decision now, we are going to go with foundation. And this is just the Maybelline Dream Cushion Liquid Foundation. For powder, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in Translucent. And then to finish off my face, I will be setting it with the MAC Prep and Prime. And then I will be ready to move on to lip, which only has 2 products. It has a lip liner, and this is just the Rimmel Moisture Renew Lip Liner in Transparent, so you can use it with any lipstick. And then my go-to red lipstick from NYX. This is just one of the NYX Round Kiss lipsticks in Snow White. It is a true red. And then I will be moving on to hair and then my dress reveal. So let's do the face. So this is the completed makeup look. I know it looks really dramatic and stuff. I absolutely love the way it came out. The last thing I have to do is set it, and I figured I'd do that on camera. So the last thing to do is my lips, and I'm not doing that until right before I leave. So right now I'm gonna go do my hair. Again, I'm not gonna film my hair whatsoever. I will tell you what I'm doing to it once it's done, but hair is one of those things that I suck at doing on camera. So this is my finished look for homecoming. I did go ahead and apply my lipstick. My earrings, just for reference, are from Forever 21, and this is just what my hair looks like. On this side I did a braid, and it goes in the back and then comes around to a side ponytail, and then I went ahead ahead and I just curled the ends. And for those of you who are wondering, my dress is just from Burlington. They have a ton, and I mean a ton of great dresses, and that is just my finished look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the finished clips with me with my dress on. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys are going to homecoming, I hope you have a blast, and I'll see you guys next week. So that is just my finished look for homecoming. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I am uploading every weekday of October and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Pack Squad. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell to be immediately reminded when I do upload new videos. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys!